Good afternoon, guys. John with New York Metro Weather. Here's the latest forecast update as we head into Monday afternoon and evening. It's humid, it's warm, and it's unsettled. So we got showers all around the area through the afternoon. Really not a ton of actual heavy rain, but it's enough to keep things really unsettled and cloudy. Dew points are up well into the 60s, and it's feeling really humid and just generally not great out there this afternoon and into tonight. That's going to continue into Tuesday. So the forecast tonight into Tuesday really does not improve. In fact, Tuesday looks worse. We'll have periods of showers pretty much all day and sort of this onshore flow bringing moisture into the area. It's not going to be a pretty day out there. The morning showers could break for a period of time, but by the time we get into the afternoon, again, we'll be looking at another round of scattered showers and storms in the region. So not a great day on Tuesday. Now, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, that's when a frontal boundary is going to approach the region from the west. Stop me if you heard this before, but we might have early morning thunderstorms yet again. This line, sort of broken line of storms, comes through during late Tuesday night into the early morning hours of Wednesday, maybe during Wednesday rush hour. Comes through, moves through from west to east. Could have an isolated strong storm in there. Not expecting a huge threat for severe weather right now, but we will keep an eye on it. Mostly heavy rain, lightning, and some wind as this comes through. So that comes through Wednesday morning. And guess what comes through behind that is a frontal boundary that is going to bring much lower dew points into the area. Here's a dew point Wednesday morning, and look by Wednesday afternoon. This glorious relief coming through Wednesday into Wednesday night. And Thursday morning, our dew points are down into the lower 50s. It's going to be feeling glorious out there later this week. We'll get to the reasons why in a second. Let's take a quick detour down to the Gulf of Mexico because this is Tropical Storm Idalia. It's going to shift into the eastern Gulf and enter some really, really warm water. Very anomalous, almost record-breaking warmth in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Very little wind shear. So the Hurricane Center says this will strengthen into a major Category 3 hurricane impacting the friends in Florida, the northwest coast, the Florida Gulf Coast. So north of Tampa, north of Miami, north of Orlando, but still affecting a lot of Florida as it comes in, storm surge along this whole western coast. But notice how this track hooks hard to the right after it makes landfall. That's because the models suggest that our area is going to be protected by a high pressure late this week and weekend, and we'll get into that. So here's the GFS model. Here comes Idalia up through the Gulf, strengthening rapidly, storm surge, wind, rain along the coast of Florida, mostly the west coast. But then here comes our landfall, and then you see the storm hook off immediately off to the east. And we're going to detail exactly what's going on. Here's why. This is our pressure, right? So here's Hurricane Franklin going off in the Atlantic. Here comes Idalia making landfall. And here's our Wednesday low pressure. So here's the system bringing us rain, showers, and storms. But look what builds in behind that. Here comes high pressure overhead, deflecting Idalia away from our area. So we have this guy to thank. Thank you very much. It takes Idalia and it pushes it out away from our region, back out into the Atlantic, and it keeps high pressure over our area through this weekend. So it's a very long way of saying that after Wednesday, guys, it's going to be awesome out there. The dew point drops into the 50s, even the 40s on Friday morning. It's going to be beautiful. We're looking at probably a very nice taste of fall through this weekend. And really, I mean, this looks like gorgeous weather with this kind of high pressure situated overhead through late week and into the weekend. So we'll keep an eye on Idalia for our friends down in Florida, and we'll track the showers and storms into Wednesday. But that frontal boundary that comes through Wednesday morning is going to bring us some amazing weather late this week and into this weekend. We'll be back with updates over the next couple days. Stick with us, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.